Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron Benyon, and today we are creating a great video that is going to kind of explain how to use the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform and how to paper trade on that. I made a video, I want to say it was last week sometime, about using MarketWatch and creating a paper trading account on there and kind of going back and forth between the Thinkorswim platform and then using MarketWatch to buy and sell and do your paper trading through that. I just thought kind of that was going to be a lot more complicated than what I think a lot of you need. And this is going to really simplify everything that you kind of need in order to get started and learn how to paper trade. So today's main goals, number one is how to log into the paper trading account on the Thinkorswim platform. That's going to be the first goal. Second goal is going to be how to trade, how to buy and sell, and the different options you have to buy and sell a stock on the Thinkorswim platform, and how to do that all in the paper trading account so you're not using any of your money. And the third thing is we're going to touch a little bit on what do some of these words mean and things like that. That's going to be very brief and very basic. I'll kind of show you a chart pattern as well. But that is going to be saved for the following video. That is going to be a huge video. I think it's going to be super important. But let's kind of roll into the Thinkorswim platform, how to get all that stuff set up. I want to keep it really short, simple, and sweet for y'all. So today I'm using a new camera and everything like that. So hopefully, oh no, that's not what we want. We're going to escape that. This is going to be a one cut, by the way, as well. So the other thing that's going to be going on, I'm not going to edit this. Editing is taking me freaking forever. I've kind of given up on it. I'm going to try to, but this week, since I've not filmed at all, I am just going to simply straight up, just one cut, one take, post this stuff to the channel so that I can get more content out and everything like that. So let's minimize this right now. We're going to go over here, keep that screen open and everything like that. Thinkorswim platform, you're going to load it up right here, go to your applications, click on it, and then you're going to toggle this switch. It's going to probably be in live trading mode. What you're going to want to do is switch it into paper money, and you're going to click login. So it's going to take a little bit to do that. Hopefully it'll load up here for us. Okay. Black screens are never good. Okay, here we go. So we're logging in. It's going to give us UGAZ, which is a stock or an ETF that I am swing trading currently right now. It had quite a sell-off a little over a month ago, almost 2 months ago, and has been pretty much consolidating in this channel pattern right here. It had a break above this, over this resistance right here at about $58. It's touched below that again, but most likely as we can be able to break back above this, has quite some room to grow. And so anyway, with you guys, you're going to log in here in that chart pattern. If you want to do a lookup for the chart of any particular company, Apple for example, you're going to type that in here. You're going to get the chart pattern. Yours is going to look a little bit different. You're not going to have this EMA line or the SMA line in here. You're just going to have the candlesticks, and we're going to go over how to add all of these things. We're going to go over how to add the RSI indicator, MACD, why those are important, everything like that. I'm going to share it all with you. It's going to come out probably in the next video that we're going to film and everything like that. So, like I said, we're not going to talk about Apple right now. We're going to go back to UGAZ because that is what I am currently, one of the positions that I'm currently in right now. So I go down here, I look at the chart pattern, I go, okay, it looks like it's trading above the VWAP right now. That's great it's an indicator that I use for day trades and things like that. But long story short, I go, okay, I want to buy into you guys. What do I do? So if I were you, what you're going to do is you're going to click on trade, and it's going to pull up the all products here. You're going to type in the ticker symbol again. Like I said, right now it's going to be you guys. We're going to click on that. It's going to give you the level 2 for a couple different options. We're going to click on this one. I already had it typed in down here. If you have never logged in, yours is probably going to be blank, and you would just type in you guys, hit enter, and it's going to give you the price right here. You're going to double click on that. You're going to click buy, and it's going to give you this little order entry tools. In the stock section, it's going to say buy. You don't want to short it. You're wanting to buy that stock. and it's going to give you a quantity. If you don't want to buy 100, you can come down here, you can put in 50, you can put in 75, you can put in whatever, you can just add or minus it using the the plus and minus indicator buttons right there, not indicators. It's going to give you the ticker symbol, UGAS. It's going to tell you that it's an ETF. It's not a stock or anything like that. It's not a bond. It's not a mutual fund. It's nothing like that. It's an ETF, but it's traded as a stock. So you're going to go over here. You have a couple different options when it comes to how to buy a stock. So the couple different options are listed right here. A market buy. Now, a market buy is very simple. A market buy is simply where you go in, and most of the time you're going to want to do a market buy during trading hours. Trading hours are based off of Eastern Standard Time. The markets open in New York at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and close at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard, Monday through Friday. That's when you're going to normally want to do a market buy. If you do a market buy after those hours, it is going to buy that stock at whatever price it is currently trading at the opening bell of that following trading day. Market buys are good during intraday, but I don't like to do market buys after hours for the simple fact that a lot of things can be volatile after hours. And so you don't want to necessarily just buy at whatever price, right? You have a specific price in mind that you want to buy in at. So what you are going to do here, oh freaking, I think you haven't even been able to watch anything I've been saying this whole time as I've been looking at the camera. That's embarrassing. Let's see here. At least you've been able to hear everything I've said. Most important part, I think so. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to, like I said, be able to see all this information. I have a couple that I've ordered and canceled because I've filmed this a couple times and made some mistakes and everything on it. But what you're going to do here is you're going to go in, and like I said, we're going to place an order now of 50 shares of UGAS, and we are going to do a limit buy. I could do a market buy. A limit buy is a set price that we are willing to pay for the stock. So currently, UGAS is trading at $57.76 per share, pardon me. Now, I currently, let's say I do not want to buy the stock until the price is at, let's say I think it's going to sell off. It's going to have a slight sell off. So I'm going to go, I don't want to buy this stock until it hits $56 a share. Now you'd put that price in, and you would come down here and you would click confirm and send. It's going to give you a couple different things, pieces of information. This is telling you how much money is in your paper trading account. Don't worry about the Forex or any of this other stuff. Option buying power is going to be the main thing you want to worry about over there. Now, when you look at this, it gives you the number of shares you're buying, the company you're buying, and at what price your order will get filled. Now, it's giving you a cost of trade including commissions. Now, you're going to spend at $56 and buying 50 shares. You're going to spend $2,800 plus a $5 commission fee. The reason I love Robinhood is because it does not include that commission fee. If you are doing a lot of day trading and things like that, I don't recommend using Robinhood because it is slower to fill your orders. That $5 commission fee to me is worth it. And I really want you to learn on the Thinkorswim platform, because as you do become a better trader, I don't think it's a bad idea to use this. I'm still using Robinhood, so in full disclosure, I'm still using Robinhood, and one of my larger accounts is still with Robinhood. But with that being said, I think this is a very important way to know how to buy and sell, and it's nice that you have it all rolled into one, where you can go to the charts and everything like that, and then be able to go into your trading and buy and sell that. I do think it's nicer. You obviously get a lot more when you pay for something, whereas Robinhood is very basic, very bland. But for those of you that have small accounts, I don't think that $5 all the way up to $9 sometimes are the commission fees of some other companies. I don't think those are worth it. So what you're going to do down here, you're going to see your total is $2,805. You're going to click send right here, and it is going to send that. Now you're going to look down here. It's going to show that I'm out of a specific position, which was buying 50 shares earlier. It shows that I'm working. It's working on filling this order and everything like that. It's just not completed. A, because the market is closed. B, because I'm wanting to buy 50 shares at $56, whereas the current price it's trading at is $57.76. So I'm trying to buy it for less, and obviously that means that most people aren't going to sell it to me at that price, because most people are willing to pay $57.76 a share. So that is essentially what you would do here. If you do not want to buy that, I right-clicked on it. You're going to click cancel order. It's going to clear off. Bada bing, bada boom, you're good. So long story short, that is how you are going to do the trades and everything like that. Very simple, very short, very sweet, to the point. We are going to actually go over the, let's see here. We are going to go over the chart patterns and things like this in the following video. That's going to also be really important. I think that's a video a lot of you have recommended or have been asking for, is to get those videos out there, because a lot of you aren't really interested in swing trade, or sorry, long-term investing. I know you're wanting to do more swing trades, more day trades. That's what you see me posting on my Instagram. I don't post a lot of my long positions because I'm holding those positions usually for at least 2.5 years or more. So there's not a lot of excitement in those. A lot of people are a lot more excited because of the day trades and things like that here in general. And so we're going to go over these chart patterns and things like that, like I said, in the following video. So I'm excited to get into that video and everything like that. I think it's important that you know how the Thinkorswim platform and everything works, as far as being able to buy and sell. And I want you to essentially, as you're learning, to try this, to paper trade and things like that, because you're not having to put in your money and financially risk those things. But at the same time, it's very beneficial because it teaches you patterns, it teaches you strategies, and ultimately those are the same strategies you will hopefully use when your own money is on the line. So thanks so much for watching this. Like I said, I want to keep it super short, sweet, be able to upload this, get it going, get it out there, and so I can produce more videos, because right now, as you guys probably know, I've been making one video maybe every week, and that's just not going to cut it. That's not good for you guys. It's not good for me. If you like this video, if this was helpful, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate that. It will help me to be able to create more videos and do all that good stuff. And also so you get notifications, so you know when every video is coming out, because like I said, I'm hopefully going to be able to create 2 to 3 videos a week from now on. I just got a new camera. That's why the resolution's better. I'm still trying to figure out how to screencast and do all this stuff, and move my gimpy right arm as well that's still broken. But anyway, that is the basis with all this stuff. I hope you all are having a great day, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.